Buongiorno, I'm Stephanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate. We show you the most amazing properties in all of Italy. And today we are in the heart of Florence to show you this luxury apartment. Come with me. Before I take you inside, you should know that the apartment is 2 minutes away from Palazzo Pitti, un maestoso palazzo rinascimentale, casa dei rinomati giardini di Boboli che si estendono per 4 ettari e mezzo nel cuore della città. Meraviglioso. But not only, it's a bridge away from the stunning Ponte Vecchio, a unique architectural masterpiece, and the perfect destination for you jewelry lovers. But now, let's get back to the apartment. Here we are, we're entering the main living room. I really want to point out the attention in detail and how contemporary style really works out with the Renaissance in this apartment. For example, this working fireplace with carved-in wreaths, or the wooden ceiling with exposed beams and painted details. It's beautiful. I also want to show you the chandelier. It is the perfect mix between contemporary and classic style. The windows in the whole apartment you will see that are majestic. They're really, really tall. But let me show you this cute little ledge. You can just get up, sit down, read a book, and look out the window. But let's continue. So here is an original fountain of the apartment, which was built in the 17th century. Let me show you a little secret. Here we have a space that could become a cocktail bar or storage. What would you guys do with this room? Let me know in the comments. From the main living room, we're passing through this hallway into the second living room. This room is very bright thanks to these very large French windows with beautiful wooden shields, as well as a white illuminated ceiling. I want to point out further details that will follow us throughout the house, which is this painted marble. It's beautiful, but not just that. There's another hidden door. You'll find a lot of these in this house. This room has a more homey feel to it. I want to also show you something else. The second entrance. Look at this door. It's made out of leather. And as you may know, leather is one of the biggest industries of Tuscany and Florence. Now we're gonna access the gallery, or La Galleria. I must say, this is one of the most stunning areas of the apartment. It is unique, a real gem. So it's all hand painted. Also, this was done in the 17th century, so it's original, and in excellent conditions. So the theme of the frescoes is of pagan divinities. You can see a perfect example right here. Also, these windows that look onto the court, the internal court, help to really illuminate the images. On the ceilings, we have paintings of angels and birds that are illuminated to really give the impression of being outside. It's breathtaking, and being here in person has a completely different effect from pictures. From here, we're gonna enter into the dining area. Also in this case, the room looks onto the internal courtyard with these beautiful French windows and wooden shields. Look at the gold detail. In the middle of the room is a marble table that can easily and comfortably sit 8 to 10 people. Perfect for dinner parties. Another common trait is the fireplaces. Another carved original fireplace and fountain. It probably even works. Let's see. Isn't that cool? If instead you're having a night home alone and just want to relax, you can also watch a TV on this beautiful flat screen. From here, we can access directly the kitchen. But before that, I want to show you the elevator. The apartment has its own personal elevator that brings you to the floor from the garage that holds 3 cars. And also, there is a wine cellar. But let's see the kitchen. So this marble, the theme, continues in the kitchen. And it is the perfect combination to not disrupt the classic element and the modern element. So over here you have every single appliance you could need. I know you cooking lovers would really appreciate this kitchen. Over here instead we have storage room, which is essential in every kitchen. Let's go see the bedrooms. Here are two smaller bedrooms with their own bathroom, perfect for hosting guests or family when they come visit. Now I want to show you my favorite room, the master bedroom. So I love the energy of the whole space. It's so bright. But like every master bedroom, there is a flat screen. I like how the owners chose to hide these modern details to not disrupt the classical style of the rest of the apartment. But just think, at night when you're ready to go to bed but not quite, you can just kind of lay on the bed, watch Netflix or play a video game. But that's not it. Let me also show you the walk-in closet and private bathroom. The walk-in closet and the private bathroom. We have his and her sinks and the bathtub that is in the same style of the rest of the classic elements in the apartment, as well as being a jacuzzi. And here are the hidden commands. Just imagine, after a long day, just drawing a bath filled with bubbles and sinking in and relaxing. Oh, what a dream. Let's go and see the rest of the house because we're not done yet. Almost, but not yet. To stay in theme with the hidden doors, we're gonna enter this one that goes right down to the service quarters. Let's go and take a look. Here is the second kitchen that brings us to the service quarters. In fact, here is a bedroom with its own private bathroom, which could be perfect also for your guests to give more privacy in respect to the main apartment, or a playroom for your kids. What would you guys do with this room? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today, but if you had fun and want to see more content like this one, please subscribe and comment below. Ora mi godo un bel libro perché sta piovendo. Ciao!